Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. We have an EP3 in the house today for an ECU exchange and remap. It's got some modifications on it, as you can see, but it's also got a Tegua 4-1 and Tegua 70mm exhaust system. So the customer would like some flames, and I'm sure we can get those for him. But initially, stock power run on stock ECU. See a base figure and get tuning from there. We'll go through the list of mods properly towards the end of the video, but for now, let's make some noise. K20, you know this part of the video. Do you need some oil for your car, whether it's a Civic or whatever it is? You can head on over to worldoflubricant.co.uk, put in the code DYNO at the checkout and save bags of money. They do all sorts, from gearbox oil to engine oils, they do filters, whatever you need. They're a great place, good team. They get stuff out quickly, and you can save some money using code DYNO at the checkout at worldoflubricant.co.uk. Yes. Well, EP3, and let me say that was really easy. This was a really easy one today.
I don't want to talk about it.
It was really easy. We had some software issues today.
It's been
antivirus.
It's been one of them couple of weeks, to be honest. You know, where you feel like someone's punishing you. You're not quite sure what you've done, but you've done something because someone's punishing you. It's been a little bit like that the last couple of weeks. We've had a little board issue on the dyno, and it just kept giving us a little bit of trouble every now and again. And we've managed to get that diagnosed through many dialing in sessions. with the dyno maker and stuff.
It's technology.
It is technology.
It's great when it works.
Yeah. Until it doesn't work. So we've been fighting that for a couple of weeks, and we obviously now finally diagnosed, and the new board is here, so we're going to get that in.
Brilliant.
Into the computer and get that sorted out. And then obviously this morning we were doing something. And then
we had some antivirus, basically I want to say Windows 98 because there's a meme involved.
Yeah.
But basically,
it decided it was going to do an update whilst we were halfway through.
It wanted to do some updates, and then when it did its updates, it turned all my antivirus stuff on, and then it was just like, oh, I want to do another update. No, stop doing that.
Yeah.
Stop doing it. But eventually we got it. It's not exactly a brand new laptop, but it's always done the job, and it's a good bit of kit. But yes, Windows, Microsoft, what are you doing to me? Yeah. Anyway.
So anyone that deals with that sort of thing on a daily basis, I'm sure you feel a pain there.
Yes. So, but this car went swimmingly well. Modification wise, it's got take a relief heater, it's got RRC.
Yeah.
There's a story behind that.
He said, I'm having trouble with idle since it's been fitted. I said, did they drill the inlet manifold for the airway? Because obviously the RRC doesn't have an airway because it's designed for electronic throttle body. No, I'm not sure on that one. Well, I would suggest not, given the fact that the revs are like super low, like 500 RPM. He says obviously in the morning it's a nightmare, it won't get up. The idle speed control valve's still on and the idle air assist is there, but obviously clearly if there's no hole in the inlet manifold from the throttle body, it's not going to work. So I think that's what the problem is with this car.
Not something we can map around.
No, not something we can map around.
That's my finger in the video.
Yeah.
Massive then, didn't it? As I cancelled someone's phone call.
Yeah, but it all went well after that.
It did go well. 4-to-1 manifold, taking with 70mm, some nice flames, beautiful looking car, big brake kit as well, which I really like.
We started on 217 and we finished on 233.9, so I'm calling that 234.
Yeah, me too. You want to look at the graph?
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph.
Say it with me, lads. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves. There is a nice 50 brake horsepower increase there. Really happy with. Finishing on 233, 192 at the wheels. 234 in Richard's book, that is. Gorgeous looking car. Nice set of wheels, big brakes. Yeah, it's the part. This is a proper driver's car. Carbon fibre bonnet. Nom, 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 nom. Yeah, there we go. Another EP3 in the bag. If you've got an EP3 and you need some help choosing parts or fitting parts, servicing, maintaining, if you want to chain the clutch, if you want to set coilovers fitting, give us a shout. That's what we do here. We supply all the parts. Got a website full of parts. So go and check it out. If you need any help, drop us a message, give us a call, and we'll be there for you. And that's it for Dynodaze. So go check out some old videos. Feel free to hype the videos. That's a new thing on YouTube that I've noticed. You can hype 3 videos a week, I think it is. And that helps our videos reach more people. And you can do that for free for us. So thanks very much. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Indeed.
We will indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit dynodazeperformanceparts.com and transform your drive today.